Hi, Assalamualaikum, and very good evening to our dearest doctor. We are from Group F, and for today, we are going to present for computer programming subject. For this project, our group have chose touch start button for the topic to discuss. Before that, our group consists of 3 members, which is first is Muhammad Azrul Hisyam bin Azmi with metric number 213222. Second is Nur Hamizah Binti Safri with metric number 212187. And last but not least is Ravi Varman, anak lelaki Sundrarajan with metric number 212348. Okay, let's move to the project introduction. For the introduction is touch start button is this touch start button is a continuation between a remote or key is no longer required to lock and unlock the car. It is on the car door handle. Next, it also only use fingerprints. This touch start button takes a few seconds. Owners or drivers no longer have to worry about the safety of their vehicle when using this method because the safety is more guaranteed. This is because it can be proven with normal problem of losing or misplacing car keys or remotes anywhere. Not only that, through this touch start button, only certain people whose identities have been saved in the system can open and turn on the car engine. The system only allows authorized users to start their vehicle. Users can first register into the system by scanning fingerprint. Okay, for the project objective, there are several objectives for this project. First is to replace the use of key and remotes with a biometric system to lock and unlock the turn of the vehicle engines. Second is to ensure and access the vehicle. And the last one is to prevent the car from being stolen easily. Okay, next I will pass to other group member to present their part. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ravi and Sundrarajan and my metric number is 21235. Now I'm going to explain about the program development and result of our project, which is touch that button. So this is the file that we send in the Google Drive provided. So there are many files. The main file or the master script is the program system. So the other files are basically data or codes for each and every fingerprint that we collected through books and internet. So we just look at the main file. So this is the coding for the main file. So we created this main file through GUI. So GUI is basically a guide that helps to create programs such as this fingerprint recognition system. So there are many functions, and this function, every function consists of if and else case functions. So before that, okay, let me start the program. Okay, if we start the main file, it shows the GUI interface. So this is the GUI interface. It consists of many touch start button, static box, axis, and pop-up menus. So every buttons here have its own function and rules. So let me examine the program. When we press the start or stop button, so it will shows the image of the fingerprint of the car users. So there are a total of 4 car users: Azrul, Muhammad, Ravi, and Nur Hamizah. So person is actually the thief of the car. So let me examine Azrul. So if we press the image, it will show the plotting here. Then we just press the input sensor and process button. So it will take time to process. So it shows the result. Just recognize it. So if we recognize, it shows recognize ID and access granted. So let us try for the thief person. So the image is plotted, sensor, process. Okay, it takes actually time. Okay, we got a result. We just recognize it. So it shows not recognized ID and access denied. This shows that this person is not the user of the car. And you may notice that there will be an alarm sound in the background. So this alarm sound is actually to alert the car user and frighten the thief. So let me show you the 2D plots of our project. So first one is histogram. Histogram is basically just plotting the image of the fingerprint. So segmentation is used to clear the unwanted area around the ridges, and ridges actually the lines on our fingerprint. Next, image binder. Image binder, you know that it just makes the image into two colors, white and black. So since we have a yellow color background, so we can't see the white color. We only see the black and yellow. So actually it just makes it white and black. Okay. Next, thinning. Thinning is actually shows the ridges of the fingerprint only and remove all the area surrounding it. So that's it for our touch start button. Thank you for listening.
Assalamualaikum and good day. My name is Hamizah. My metric number is 21287. For the discussion part, there is advantages, deficiency, and improvement. The advantages is fingerprints can control the opening and closing of the people, car, engines, and doors. Other than that, it easily detects the fingerprint of the user, which is, for example, it is not too late or takes too much time, which is delayed, to recognize the fingerprint, and it also denies the access of a non-registered user. Next, the advantages is it has a security alarm sounds just in case if there is incorrect identification. For the deficiency, the system has no blockage system after a few times of wrong detection, so the scanner might become less sensitive and delay later. To improve the system, we need to develop a fingerprint blockage system in which if the person touch for 3 times wrong, she or he will need for 30 seconds. But if 5 times wrong, the person needs to wait for 1 minute, and if 8 times wrong, the system will be blocked. As conclusion, the biometric system, which is fingerprint-based, can be used to replace the use of keys and remotes to lock and unlock car doors, as well as to turn on and off vehicle engines. Next, the touch start button with fingerprint-based can ensure the safety of the vehicle as only authorized person can access the vehicle. Lastly, the use of fingerprint system, it can prevent the car from being stolen easily by other people. That's all from us. Thank you.